Let's make this Guardian green chili sauce. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. If today is the first time here, please subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free and you are going to love it here, okay? That is why you should subscribe or follow. So like I said earlier, we are making green chili sauce and I just want to walk you through. I have with me here my bell peppers. Okay, that is green bell peppers. I have some onions. I have pepper, habanero pepper, ginger, and then scallions or green onions or spring onions, anyhow you will call it. Okay, I washed them earlier, but I want to wash it again and then we'll continue. So to start with it, we are washing the bell peppers. Washing the bell peppers, it is very simple to do so. Okay, you can just use your knife to cut it like how you are seeing on the screen, and you are good to go. You can as well do without the knife, and that is even faster. Yes, so I will show you that as well and then we can proceed. If today is the first time here, like I said earlier, please do not forget to subscribe because you will love it here, and we share easy recipes. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. You will love it everywhere. Now this is how I was trying to see. You just use your hand to crack everything without a knife, and that is the fastest, okay, than to use the knife. Yes, just use your hand like this and it is so easy to go. We have a YouTube channel which is Tree Channel, okay, the local dialect, and the name is Recipe Goddess. We share recipes there in Tree language, so it is not the same video we post here that we post on the other channel as well. It is different videos, so please do well to subscribe to that, and trust me, you will love it there as well. Now we are all set with the bell peppers, and we will go ahead and then wash the other ones. So with the habanero pepper, please do not judge the quantity, okay? Judge the engine, okay? Because trust me, it is very spicy. Yes, but with this sauce we don't want it very very spicy. We want it maybe mild, okay? Yes, now I'll go ahead and then wash the scallions. As I told you earlier, all the things or all the ingredients were properly washed earlier before you saw it on the screen, but I decided to wash it again. So you make sure you wash it before you cut them or you prep them, okay? Yes, you don't prep them before you wash them, else the dirt will enter. So wash before you prep, and then you are good to go, at least 3 times, okay? And then you are good to go. The next ingredient is the ginger. So this is how ginger looks like, in case you don't know ginger, because I know some people do not know ginger, okay? Maybe they don't have it in their country. So this is ginger, and it looks similar to turmeric, but it's not turmeric, okay? I'll go ahead and then add that as well, and then prep my onions. Thank you so much. If you've watched me till this point, can you please like the video? I'll be very grateful if you share to others, and also I'll be very happy if you leave me your comments in the comment section. It has been a long time I uploaded video. I know, I am so sorry, but I had to, okay? Yeah, the work was too much for me and I had to let something go to get something. That is why it has been a long time. Now this is garlic. It was in the freezer. I'll go to my backyard and then get some basil and then some parsley and other things. My house is full of herbs, a lot of different herbs and then natural spices because I love them. So I have a lot in the house. Okay, mumbe tutu bi nkodua. Yeah, just pass by to get yours, then plant. Yeah, a lot of them. So I will get the parsley, some celery, get my basil, go and wash them very well, and then add it to the ingredients. And now we are done getting them, we will get back to the kitchen and then wash everything. Add it to the blender, including the things we prepped earlier. And trust me, it made the sauce very flavorful. If you don't like herbs and natural spice, just add it to your foods. Trust me, you'll fall in love with your foods. Now we are done with everything. I have everything in the blender, and just look at that. Absolutely looking good. I'm just going to add my oil, and then we are good to go. So instead of adding water to it, add your oil to speed up the cooking process. So we are going to blend it. We'll come back. After blending it, I poured it in my pan, and the oil you are seeing on top, I used that oil to fry my beef. And I decided to add it to this, and trust me, the flavor, oh my goodness, it was flavoring. Now this is how it looks, and I just want to go back to the room because the flies were disturbing me. So you can see our sauce is looking absolutely good, and the taste, oh my goodness, it is beyond imagination. So we will continue to give it a stir. Make sure all the water is out, is drained, so that it can stay longer. It looks so good. At this moment, if you want to add any seasoning, you can go ahead and then do so. I added some to it to add extra taste to it, and this is how it looks. So good. That is the seasoning I added. Okay, so use any type of your choice, and then you are good to go. You can actually pair this sauce with your kenkey. You can pair it with your bangkun. You can use it to grill your tilapia or any fish. And oh my goodness, if you use it to grill tilapia, it is so good. I think grandma likes it this way, if you use it for your grilled tilapia, because she doesn't like pepper. Yes, so I usually use it for grilled tilapia or fish because she doesn't like pepper. So if you don't like too much pepper, you can go ahead and use this to grill your fish, and trust me, it tastes so good. I went ahead to add some curry powder for flavor, and trust me, my kitchen absolutely smells good and very nice. Just try to incorporate natural spices and then herbs in your food, and trust me, you will come back and thank me later. Now our sauce is ready. Keep it in your airtight container, and then it will last long, and make sure you have enough oil on top. Till we meet again, see you in the next video. Bye bye. That is the oil we scooped.